Hey guys, it's Danny here, and today I'm going to be taking apart this compressor. I recently made a video on cutting open a reciprocating hermetic compressor, and this is the motor for it. And now I thought, why not make a video on disassembling as much as I can with normal tools a reciprocating hermetic compressor. So here we are. This is what it originally looks like. It just came out of the can itself. It's the bottom here, it's where the windings are, and the tops are where the suction line are. And the high side, these two are the reed valves here, under here. And yeah, so let's get started. I just have 5/16 drill bit with my Milwaukee impact driver, and I'm gonna get some gloves on first so we can get started. So let's get started. First, I want to take off. Let's start from the top. I'm gonna take off these two screws right here. 1 and 2. Then I'm gonna take this screw off here. It should come out. This is the connecting rod, I believe. Don't know how I'm going to take this out. And yeah, just want to take off as much screws as I can. It's just an experiment, guys. Just interested in what's inside. So now I'm going to work on this little cap here to the screws down there. And I've always been wondering what this little plastic thing in here is. So hopefully I can take that out. I'm not really too keen on keeping the screws. Wow, that came off pretty easy. I am going to keep all these little gaskets so I can just show you guys what the motor came with. That was all inside of it. Just some springs inside. And this can was probably stores the oil. I don't know. To lubricate the piston and all around inside. So next, what can we take out? Oh yeah. We got a flat screwdriver. It should just come out. Inside here is the piston. It's the piston head. As I turn the top, that goes in and out, and just pumps all the refrigerant. Perfect. What else can we take apart? I don't know if I could take the whole piston and connecting rods out. Down here, I think they're just legs, but I don't know. There's some screws. Looks like they're 1/4 inch. Need my 1/4 inch bit. And there is a screw over here holding this in place. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is, we need that. That screw right there. It's missing one, but this one here. It's clamping this into place, but don't really know what else I can maybe. That's what's keeping this all intact. So I'm going to go ahead and get some drill bits, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is actually this screw right here. That's on the connecting rod right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn that up here. That's actually a 3/16 bit. I don't have a drill bit, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver to take that out. Nothing but the best. Klein tools. Mad props to them. Wow. That came off easy. This is going to come out. Damn it. Doesn't want to even budge. Whatever. Take that out. Don't know what else I can do, guys. Oh yeah, take off the legs, I guess, but that's not exciting. Might as well do it. Now these legs were connected to the springs of the compressor itself. Wow. So taking out that screw that connects the legs to the body actually takes out all the windings. So here's the windings and here's the inside. Cool. Let's see if I can take this out. I don't know if I can. Cool. I don't know if there's actually a small hole all the way through for lubrication purposes. I think all the way through the bottom of here, all the way to the top here. However, I still don't know how I can take this rod out. Okay, let me work on this and I'll be right back once I know how to take this out. Okay, sorry guys, I had to do this off camera, but I finally managed to take out the connecting rod, and unfortunately the only way I could take it out was just smashing it. So I actually broke the rod here as it's going through here and all the way to the end. Broke off, but I took out the small little piston here, and here's the top part of it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and recap everything that I found. Let me just organize them, and then I'll go through each one by one. I'm just going to go through all the big parts. The small parts I'm not too worried about, tell you guys about. So just the big ones, the obvious ones. Okay, so let's get started with the legs. The legs were attached to the bottom here. These legs were connected to the springs in the can itself. So, yep, and once you take out the legs, the whole winding comes out, so just beware of that. So That's that. And then this little container, still don't know what it's for. I'm pretty sure it stores oil. Maybe one of you guys can help me out, but yeah, here it is. Next was this plate that covered up these two pieces. I don't know what this is, but it was covering these two up. Maybe some reed valves of some sort. Next we have the connecting rod over here. Fortunately, it was probably intact when I first took apart the compressor, but when I took it out, I just didn't know how I can take it out one piece, so I just broke it off. And this is what it looks like. That's the top, that's the middle, and that's the bottom. Next we have a piston. This was connected like that to the connecting rod. This little small piston. And lastly, the top part. And there you guys go. Hopefully you guys learned something new today, and you enjoyed this video.